OK, equals, and hashcode, contract. This is an advanced topic that separates senior engineers from everyone else in interviews. Let's break it down properly. It falls under collections, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. The contract between equals and hashcode is if A dot equals B is true, then A dot hashcode is equal to B dot hashcode must also be true. The reverse is not required. Two unequal objects can share the same hashcode, collision. HashMap relies on this contract. It uses hashcode to find the bucket, then equals to find the exact key. If you override equals without overriding hashcode, HashMap can't find your objects. Now, why does this matter in interviews? This is one of the most important contracts in Java. Breaking it causes silent, hard-to-debug bugs in HashMap, HashSet, and any hash-based collection. Let me go deeper. When you put key value in a HashMap, it stores the entry in a bucket determined by key.hashcode. When you call getKey, it goes to the same bucket and compares using equals. If equals says two keys are the same but hashcode differs, the get looks in the wrong bucket and never finds the entry. The object is in the map but invisible. This is why the rule exists. Equal objects must have the same hash. Let's look at the code for equals and hashcode contract. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that override equals compare by name plus age. Then, must override hashcode when overriding equals. Then, without hashcode override. And finally, with proper hashcode. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, IDE generated equals hashcode. Use your IDE to generate both methods together. Or use objects.hash and objects.equals for clean implementations. Here's a dangerous trap, using mutable fields in hashcode. If hashcode depends on mutable fields and you modify the object after putting it in a hash map, the map can never find it again. And a pro tip, Lombok at equals in hashcode. Lombok generates correct equals and hashcode automatically. Records, Java 16, also generate them from all components. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Always override hashcode when you override equals. Use objects.hash for a clean implementation. Use immutable fields for hash computation. And for your interview strategy, show the broken scenario first, override equals but not hashcode, then fix it. Explain exactly why HashMap fails, wrong bucket lookup. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.